I welcome you all to the Crypto Singh Show. My name is Gunpreet Singh, and we talk about crypto and the crypto world, what's happening, what's not happening in the show. What's happening today? Well, we'll jump into the NFTs today again, and there's this NFT gaming project which is pretty much there, and they've just launched their land, and I'll reveal that NFT project. So before that, what's happening with the Bitcoin market? I think we're again pumping. I do think that we again are gonna pump a bit, maybe by 35, 36,000, maybe 38,000. I think we are gonna go up again, but this again is one of those relief rally. And as I've been predicting that previously, I did take some profits off, and I entered again around 30,000, but I think around 38,000, 35,000, 36,000, I will be taking some profits off. But again, I'm being very careful because these markets aren't something that you can really rely on, because as they say, follow the trend. Trend is your friend. And I'm sure you must have heard this a lot of times. So why do we say that trend is your friend? Is because the trend right now is bearish. It's not bullish. So you're going to have some of these rallies going up, but eventually the trend is bearish for now. And in bearish times, so you got to be careful when there are pumps. So be ready for the dumps. And this is what the trend of Bitcoin is showing. So I would think that 35, 36, 37,000 types, we would be again going to those price ranges. 31,500 to 31,800 is resistance. If we break that, then I think you'll see 34, 35,000. If you don't break that, we'll be back again with around 30,000 range, 29,000. And I am very sure, or you could say I'm 80% sure. You can never be 100% sure that we will see 22,000 Bitcoin in coming months. I don't know when that would be, but because I personally feel that 20,000 should be the bottom of the Bitcoin. Well, let's see what will be the bottom in the coming times, but I definitely see that we will be trending down after a while. And as I've been saying in all my videos, that it never happens that you immediately trend down. So it takes time, it takes a while for the markets to go down, and that's how even the bull markets it takes markets to regain those power and then again to go up. So that is how the markets really work. So you have to understand how the markets work. So that is how the markets would work in general. So be careful, but I've taken a long from 30,000, and I'll be taking some profits around 35,000 or 34,000. So once 31,800 or 32,000 is broken with volume, I think you could go long in that time, and then again but always do put your stop losses. They're like car with brakes, so you can't run a car without the brakes. So that is what is happening with the Bitcoin market. Now let's talk about again NFTs. Now what's happening with the NFT gaming projects? Well, this is an NFT gaming project which I think is a blue chip project in NFT gaming. Now, which project is this? I'll just tell you. Before that, I tell you, please do like, share, and subscribe. Now, this project they've just recently launched a land sale which was on. I'll show you this project. Before we get on to this project, I'm sure you must have liked, shared, and subscribed. So getting onto this project, the name of the project is actually Illuvium. Now Illuvium is a great project. Let me see if you can actually see the screen. Yeah, so this is the project that is there. Now this is the Illuvium project, and let me see if I could just probably change my screen a bit and show you the half of it. That might just be better. Yeah, this is better. So I think so this is the project that I've been talking about. So if you see, there's this land sale launched, and you could participate in it. It's been sold out. You had to register for it. Let's go for sale. And if you see, sort by, we'll just do a filter on sale. Let's see, what do we have on sale? Apply. Now what this shows is everything is sold out. Entire land in this project has been sold out. Now taking the valuation of this project, what are the tokenomics of this project? Well, if you actually go on Coin Market Cap or CoinGecko or anywhere, you will see that Illuvial project is the coin itself is around 300 US dollars, $293 per share, which is a huge valuation for any project. So this is almost like a blue chip gaming project that is being launched. So they are launching these land where people will come in to buy, to play on your land. They'll pay you for it. I mean, you can have tournaments on your land. They'll auction, the tier 5 would have auction, and you'll collect money from the tournaments. It's very interesting, and it's a blue chip NFT project. Again, I think gaming would be one of the biggest things coming in time. Now, what is the total market cap? Well, you can see the total market cap is pretty much 191, which is again huge, and it's ranked around 146. So I think it's one of the biggest gaming projects that we could see, and they've just launched a land sale, and entire land has been sold out. Keep an eye on this project. This project is really good for future, and this is a long-term investment. Again, as I said, bear market, look for blue chip coins, look for the blue chip gaming. Now, well, let's see how the let me see if I can show you how the coin has actually performed. But okay, before that, let me also show you what the lands were all about. So if you actually go to land and learn more about it, so they had 4 types of land, because all of these lands will come into the secondary market very soon. So once they are there on OpenSeas, you can buy it. And this is how the land tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5. And if you actually see the live English auction for the tier 5, because this is like the arena where you could collect the money from the tournaments and all, and this is very interesting. But of course, this is super expensive, so not everyone can buy this. And same with tier 4. So what you're seeing is a starting price of 80 ETH, but they've not been sold on 80 ETH. They had a system where the prices would dip down every few seconds, few minutes, and after every hour you'll see prices going down till there is a buyer. So the prices that they've actually been sold out have been very less from what they started, because this was a very interesting auction that they had done, but everything has been sold out till now. So these are the 4 tier they have, and higher the tier, the better it is, because something like a tier 3 would have landmark, it would have one element landmark, and production boost is 100%. Here the production boost is 300%, and of course this has 900%, which is the arena. And arena is like the best of all, but of course it's too high as a price. So, and this has production 33.33, this has 0% boost. So this is the entire land map of this project. The tokenomics look good. The project looks good. I mean, if you actually see the graphics, it's really nice. I don't know if I can play some of its graphics here, but okay, let's play it on YouTube actually. And is that the theater mode? Let's see if we can do the so if you see, this is the look at the graphics.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good.
But this is for me a blue chip project. I mean, look at the graphics. Let's see how these games are.
I have to
I mean, just imagine these games are now for real. It's super exciting. So this
We've
is
come a long,
Illuvial.
long way to
It's super exciting and looks like a great project, and something that I would definitely keep an eye on. So this was the land sale, and this is the project that I thought I'll tell you about it. And in fact, if you actually go on Twitter, you'll probably figure it out that their following is they have they have on Twitter. We have, let's go to Illuvium. So I they have 3,33,000 followers. Again, huge. They're 226 following and 3,33 followers. So again, the core group is also nice. I mean, you have decent number of followers, decent number of people on this gaming project. So you can really bank on this project. So this is the NFT project that I had to talk about, and you could buy land in this NFT project. Imagine buying a land in the NFT project. Gaming, people are coming. The game has become reality now. Everything has become reality. Real estate will become a reality now. So this is the use case of these games that is going to happen in future. You'll be able to buy the characters. You'll be able to buy everything. So you'll be actually playing real tournaments, and it would be gaming tournaments, so your land would be used for it. So it's super exciting. I mean, these are super exciting times in life, because I think there is a revolution happening, and times are changing, things are changing really fast. So I don't think there's going to be those games on the phones that we are going to be playing anymore. So it's going to be virtual reality. We'll be in reality playing these games. In reality, we will be these characters. So just imagine being these characters and playing those games in these projects, you earning money on it, people who are playing are earning money on it. I mean, it's a concept that is changing the entire world. So this is my first blue chip project. This is, again, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, but this is a blue chip project that I think in gaming world. So do look into it, and even if you don't buy, tier 5 or tier 4 or tier 3 or tier 2, I mean, tier 1 you would get somewhere around 0.38, which is not much. So you could try in with that kind of amount and keep it for a long term thing. Again, any projects that I do say on my video is for long term. I don't like to pump short term pump and dump projects. And in case if there is some trades that I want you to take, I will tell you that take these trades. These are again pump and dump trades. So those are different, but whatever projects I tell you usually are all long term, because I don't want you to lose money in long term. So, and a lot of you people would have your own money investing for the first time, and if you lose that money, I know it would feel really bad, and you'll never enter this market. So I don't want that to happen. I want you all to enter this market and see what this market is all about. But I mean, the gaming is changing. The entire concept of the world is changing. Metaverse is changing. Web3 is changing the entire concept. So do look into it, and I hope you are liking our analysis. Do like, share, and subscribe. You have any other question, join us on Telegram group. Follow us on Twitter. We are posting these tweets every day. So follow us on Twitter. Join us on Telegram group, comment on YouTube, do like, share, and subscribe. So we'll be making more of these videos, and hope to see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye. Signing off, Gunpreet Singh from the Crypto Singh Show. Bye.